Good evening, everybody. Today I'm just going to tell about my three selfless dreams for peace to humanity and peace in the world. This is what has come in my Samadhi Dhyan, which I want to share to all the humanity, because this is not my selfless dream. This is the selfless dream of every human being in this world. This should be the selfless dream of every. My means individuals, I, my. So every person should feel that this is my selfless dream for peace to humanity and peace in the world. So under this there are three: my dream of peace to humanity, my dream of our country to become a developed nation, and my dream of a very peaceful world. These three things. So my dream of peace to humanity, this I am every day sharing to you. In the morning, Atma Samadhi Dhyan and Atma Jnana from Bhagavad Gita Upanishads is being shared for people to have this spiritual enlightenment for their and see how they spiritually grow and to see God in them. The object is, once you see God in you, then you can see God everywhere. When you see God inside you, the godly nature of kindness, universal brotherhood, universal love, all these things grows in us. So these basic things. So when you see God in you, then you see God everywhere, as Swami Vivekananda says. Then you not only work for your own growth, you see that how we can contribute for the growth of the entire humanity. So my dream of humanity is mainly to see that we bring peace in us, and also we bring peace in every person in our family, in our society, in the world. And evening, the purpose of sharing these various religious philosophies is to highlight the truth. All religious philosophies show path for human peace and not for human destructions. Let us shed our differences on account of caste, creed, religion, race, all these things. That is one of the factors which is disturbing the peace in the world. Everybody should see all person as a human being, all person, and see God in everybody. Then you will have universal brotherhood feeling, and you will live harmony with everybody, and see that how we can uplift them economically and see they grow. That brings real peace in the world. That is the objective of my dream of peace to humanity, and my dream of our country to become a developed nation. So each and every person has got a duty. See that his country grows. Every person in the country grows. How we can contribute? As I told already, that we have to strengthen our residential welfare associations throughout the country through our individual social responsibility and corporate social responsibility. So the most basic factor which disturbs peace in the world is the youth, who form the majority of population, and their basic problem is poverty, illiteracy, and employment. These three things. So poverty can be alleviated only if they have illiteracy. If their illiteracy is removed and unemployment problem is removed. These three things only the basic focus under my dream. So first thing is how to create employment avenue for, because today many of the youth are getting basic educations throughout the country. If you see, 10 lakh engineering graduates are coming every year, but only 10,000 people are getting jobs. Balance people do not get job. When youth doesn't get job at the right time, his mind becomes very tense. He doesn't know how to. He wants to see that somehow or other he finds an avenue. So if he doesn't get, he turns to the negative path of criminalism, terrorism, all these things. Today, people involved in terrorist activities, criminal activities are all youth only. So first thing is, it is our social responsibility to see that we grow the youth of the country, youth of the world. So for that, first thing is how to create employment avenue for them. That's why I told residential welfare associations all together in a particular area, they are together. They collect all information from the youth of the residents in their association, and see gather the employment needs of the youth in there, and register in the employment cell. So each residential welfare association will form an employment cell, and they should consolidate in particular area. In a particular area, there may be 5-10 associations. All the associations, 5-10 associations in a particular area, they pool their information and they form an employment cell. And all the each people working in various organizations, there may be their job needs may be there in their organizations, they have to share it. And similarly, corporate entrepreneurs living in that residential association, they can place their job needs for their employment. Business people, they can place their job needs. So by that, in particular area, people living, each and every youth living in that area, they get some avenue for their livelihood by way of getting a job. Suppose if they don't get, we have to interlink all the residential associations throughout the country, by which the job opportunities available in each and area can be shared, so that youth in any part of the country can get a job opportunities according to his skill, talents, capacity, all these things. Once the basic job provision is made, nobody wants to become a criminal. So first thing is they want to live with self-respect on their own. The job is the basic thing. So that we have to provide. That is the objective of my dream of. And next is to be able to create job-oriented training. So we have to make each and every youth into an employable asset. So for that, we have to, in the youth residential associations, they have to form provide center for providing skill development training, job-oriented self-employment training. So those who want us to go for jobs, they should be provided job-oriented training on various skill areas, so and make them into employable asset. And those who want to take self-employment, they should be provided self-employment training and also supported by bank finance and other things. So that, and also entrepreneurs as a mentors, they should support them to see that these self-employed youth grow in the enterprise and stand on their own feet. That is the and people interested in sports, games, culturals, dance, music. So they should be given training in this center, and the corporate should sponsor the programs to bring out the talents through these contests, tournaments, and see that these youth get job opportunities according to their aspirations in various sports, games, cultural areas. Basic thing is youth, whatever be his capacity, whatever be his position, whatever be his talents, whatever be his skill, he should get an avenue for livelihood. That is the basic thing to eradicate the terrorism and criminalism in society. So that we have to first provide. The job-oriented training, self-employment training, and the skills training. All these things should be provided. So this is the first step. When these things, when employment avenue is created and the skill development is provided, this gives develops the per capita income of the people. And one important point what we need to touch upon is we have to consolidate all the residential associations to raise people's voice of India, to make the government to implement the river water integration movement, to link all the river water through pipeline and see that the entire country is filled with water through pipeline. All the reservoirs, all the lakes, tanks and other things throughout the country is filled, so that there will be 365 days water facility, water for agricultural and irrigation purpose and also for drinking purpose, so by which we can bring in real agricultural development, real green revolution. This provides rural and urban employment for all the youth, so that naturally the entire country will grow, per capita income of all the people and the country will grow. So this is my dream of how country to become a developed nation. The third is my dream of peaceful world. So in the world, see there are so many developed countries in America and European countries, America, Canada, UK, France, Italy, Germany, Sweden, Switzerland, all these Japan, Singapore, all these developed countries, people have got well established, well settled. So they are enjoying their time in spending their money for their well-being. So they should be made to realize that their enjoyment is not confined to their growth. They have to see God in them, and they should see God in those people living in underdeveloped and developing nations who are suffering from want of basic food. They are suffering from starvation. So how they can able to support them to grow so that they can bring peace in everybody. That is the objective. Here what we have to do is we have to make all the people living in developed nation to form in the residential welfare association. They should form a trust and pulled in the corpus fund, and they should get in communication with the various residential welfare associations in developing and underdeveloped nations. Like in South Africa, people living in Ethiopia and other areas, they are suffering from starvation of food. It will do like basic food, education, clothing, shelter, health, all these things lacking. So these developed nations people through these residential organizations create a corpus fund, support these underdeveloped nations, to provide basic food, basic clothing, basic shelter, basic education, basic health needs, and start enterprises, companies to provide basic job opportunities for them so that they can stand on their own feet with self-respect. So once basic things have been provided for these people in developing and developed nations, see, the entire world grows. The per capita income, all the people grows. When everybody stand on their own feet, live a peaceful life, where is the question of people going the path of terrorism or criminalism? When everybody realizes the truth that all religions are same and God is there in everybody, where is the question of they are going the wrong path of creating criminalism, terrorism, all these things? So everybody live happily. So that is the objective of my dream of peaceful world. So this is my dream, means this is a selfless dream. There is nothing you are going to gain. The only thing is selfless dream is given by God from inside through this voice of inner self. So this should be the dream of every person. My dream is, it's every person's dream. So see that they bring in peace in themselves, peace in the family, peace in the society, and by contributing their efforts to build the country into a developed nation, to build the world into a developed nation. So let us all consolidate our forces, share this message throughout the world, and see everybody realize their responsibility, and see that everybody contribute for the growth of themselves, the country, and the world. Thank you.